Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. We begin with currency trading. The Jamaican dollar continued to slide today. For the second straight day, the dollar dipped to a new low. At the end of today's trading session, the Jamaican dollar lost 49 cents to the greenback. $1 is now being sold for 141 Jamaican dollars, 58 cents. Since the start of October, the Jamaican dollar has declined by 4%. The Canadian dollar is going for $106.47. The pound closed at $182.92, while the euro ended the day at $159.98. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will go for $1.17 more. On the other hand, automotive diesel is costing $3 less, and ultra-low sulfur diesel is down by $1.55. It's costing $1.60 less for kerosene. The price of propane will increase by $2.19, and butane is up $2.63. There are complaints about challenges and restrictions in the retail market this evening. The protest coming from a developer who claims that investments could be at risk. Here's TVJ's Andrew Lately.
More apartments are being built in the corporate area, but at least one developer, Peter Rousseau, is arguing that the take-up has been underwhelming.
It will take some substantial time, in my view, for the demand to catch up with the present number. At one time there were 1,000 unsold units in the market. I don't know how many of those are still around.
Although the desire for housing is high, most potential first-time buyers fall in the middle to low-income bracket. On the commercial side, developers are also running into challenges with the construction of office spaces. Mr. Rousseau argues that the parking requirement implemented by the National Environment and Planning Agency NEPA is particularly problematic.
The parking issue is a real one. It is a necessary decision. It is a good decision, but it does have financial consequences.
He says those kinds of solutions are only profitable if persons are willing to pay for parking.
I've run a set of numbers recently. All of them have failed my return test. And I think until rents move, probably up into the $22, $23, $25 a square foot, net, we will see not as much new office product unless you're a major institution or pension fund that have the funds to put in.
Andrew Lately, TVJ News.
The JC Index lost 174 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained 33 points. Among the winners were Iron Rock Insurance, Key Insurance, The Lab, Jamaica Producers Group, and T-Tech. On the losing side were Portland JSX, Mayberry Investments, Carib Cement, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and Fontana. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.